hear a big yay from everybody. Right. Yes. So now today we are going to do from steam to electric this lesson. And of course, we are going to learn about the grammar, the writing, and how we are going to progress in this lesson. Okay, students, clear? Students? Okay, right. So today we are going to start teaching with vocabulary. And first thing that we are going to start learning about is adverbs. How many of you know what an adverb is? How many of you know what an adverb is? Can anybody tell me?
Sangeeta, you can't hear them, right?
No, I can't. Nothing.
So just let them fix that because there's no point doing the class if they can't hear you. Just 1 second.
They are
Ma'am,
Yeah,
you have to mute yourself. Neeta, ma'am, the mic is on mute, so you'll have to unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yeah,
know.
now.
yes.
1 second, ma'am. 1 second.
Sure, ma'am. No issues.
Just tell me, Preeti.
These things, they happen. No issues.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Please let me know when we are good to go.
Yes. Say what it is. You say.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Oh, lovely. What's your name, please? What's your name?
My name is Sakshi.
Sakshi. What a lovely name. So, Sakshi, do you know what are adverbs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me what are adverbs?
Yes.
Say what?
The
Yes,
adverbs means that we add in the sentences.
Adverb means we
Add verbs in sentences.
adverb mean. Okay. Anybody? That's great, Sakshi. Thank you. So can I have somebody else also? Tell me. Yes. Come. Good. Great. Wonderful. Yes. Please tell me your name first.
My name is Mantra Patel.
Okay. Yes. Please tell me what are adverbs and give me some examples of adverbs if you know.
Adverbs are words that describe action words.
Okay. For example.
Like very fast, very hot.
Okay. Great. Wonderful. Please have a seat. I'm going to start with the lesson and then we are going to see what you have said and what exactly are adverbs, right? So it's an expression that generally modifies a verb, and as you've rightly said, right? So what are adverbs? We come to that. Is my screen visible, children? I want you to tell me yes, ma'am. Okay, great. So an adverb is a word which modifies a verb. It tells you when, where, or how something is being done. Very rightly said by Patel and Sakshi. So words such as quickly, slowly, loudly, usually, silently, softly, kindly, carelessly, noisily, and rapidly are all examples of adverbs. So they relate to how something happens in a sentence. So how do we make the sentence more interesting? The first sentence is the girl sang nervously. Now, if I have to just use a sentence which I have to make a sentence based on what you have just interacted with me. So what I'm going to say, Sakshi confidently answered the question. And so I take the name of Sakshi and what did she do? She confidently answered the question. So confidently, I am making the sentence more interesting by adding the word Sakshi. I could have said Sakshi answered the question, but I'm saying Sakshi confidently answered the question. So confidently here becomes the adverb. It is adding definitely to the verb. Got it? I think all of you understood, right? Right, students? Okay, great, wonderful. So now we are going to go to the next part. Okay. Yes. Can I have somebody come up and read? Who would want to read? Who would want to volunteer to come up and read? Okay, yeah, come. Tell me your name first. Your name?
My name is Akshat.
Akshat. Okay, Akshat. I'm going to share my screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes. Can you read, please?
We can also.
Beta, first read that sentence. The siblings play chess quickly. Read the sentence, please.
The sibling play chess quickly.
Very good. And now, continue.
We can.
Quickly is the manner in which the siblings play chess.
Quickly in the manner in which the sibling play chess.
Yes, very good. Continue, please.
We can use adverbs to say when something took place. These adverbs relate to time.
Yes. So,
Yesterday, today, tomorrow,
tonight.
tonight, now, then, and this morning are example of time adverbs.
Yes, very good, very good. So I think, very good. Yes, very good, Akshat. Please go and have a seat. Please go and have a seat. Wonderful, wonderful. So Akshat has read beautifully, and I would want somebody else also to come. Who would want to come? Okay, I see a lot of boys raising their hand. No girls? Okay. Yes, come on. I see that girl in ponytails here. Yeah, come. What's your name? Introduce yourself to me, please.
Kia.
What?
Kia.
Dia. Okay, lovely Dia. Yes, Dia. Can you please read the next part? We can also use adverbs.
We can also use adverbs to say where something took place. This adverb relate to place. Inside, here, back, behind, outside, there, and above are all examples of place adverbs.
Very good, Dia. So all examples of place adverbs. So if I have to say, if you have to use a place adverb to make a sentence right now about this class. So can you think of a sentence, or can you or anybody else think of a sentence with place adverb?
Yeah, you understood the question?
Yes, ma'am. He is standing behind me.
He is standing behind me in this class. We are using place adverb. Today in the class. Today in the class. So we add today. For example, if I have to say, Akshat is standing behind Dia today in the class. Right? So we have Akshat who's standing behind Dia today in the class. So we have used the place adverb, which is today. Time adverb, which is today. And the place adverb is the class. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful. Please go and have a seat. Please go and have a seat. That's great. So I hope you children are enjoying the lesson. Yes, I want to hear a big yes. I want to hear a big yes. Okay. Tell me, how many of you have gone on a train? How many of you have been on a train? रेलगाड़ी से सफर किसने किया है? अरे वाह, सबने किया है. अच्छा, तो जब रेलगाड़ी आती है, when the train comes, very good, put down your hand. So when the train, put down your hand. So when the train comes and you see, do you see an electric train? Do you see some wires which are there on top of the train?
Yes,
Yes, put down your hand. Put down your hand, beta. Don't raise your hand now. Yes. How many of you have seen that when the train comes chuk 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 into the station? All of you have seen that. So that is very good. Put down your hand. That is the electric train. Okay? That is the
electric train.
electric train.
Electric
Electric train. Yes, very good. And before electric train, we had steam engines. What did we have?
Steam engine.
Yes, and the steam engines were run where the coal was burnt, and the engines used to run on the steam that was generated by that burning coal. Got it?
Yes,
So now today we are going to study how the trains, they were steam engines and gradually they became electric engines, right? From steam to electric. So today we are going to learn about that. How many of you are interested? in knowing about what happened. Yes, very good, very good. And how do you think the train runs in? What sound does the train make when it comes into the station? Can anybody say?
Loudly.
Ah, yes. Very good, very good, very good. Yes. Okay. So now we are going to start with the next part of the lesson. Okay. Yes. Can I have somebody? Okay. Can I have somebody? I would want students. All the students? No, I would want right from the start. We have over here, I think Patel. I see Mr. Patel over here. Right? So Mr. Patel, then unke bagal I see this girl. Neeta ma'am, can you just help me with this, please?
Abita, yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we have
So, Neeta,
Patel
nothing
and
is
then
visible on your
Abita, and then
screen.
ek karke every bacha will come and they can read two lines.
Yeah,
Right,
so
ma'am?
Neeta,
So
your
that means
screen
I
is
can
not
see the class
visible.
participation. Is it okay, ma'am? Please ensure that this happens. Right?
So,
Ma'am,
Neeta,
your
we
screen
can't
is
see
not
anything
visible.
on your screen. Can you just go back and just go to the third page once?
Yeah, I'm
Screen is
just going
blank.
to this
Yeah,
thing.
now
once.
it's visible. Now it's
Yeah,
visible.
I'll just share my screen. I was just telling Neeta ma'am to ensure that एक के बाद एक बच्चे आए दो line
Yes,
पढ़
ma'am.
के जाएं.
Done,
Right,
ma'am.
ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So I'm going to share my screen. So first, Mr. Patel will come, then this girl, and then ek karke. Just one student, whosoever wants. They can go read and then go 2 lines and then go and sit in the class, sit on the chair. Okay? Right? Right?
Say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, very good. So I'm going to share my screen now. Ready? Begin. Yes.
Lauren and her younger brother Alex couldn't contain their excitement any longer. Today,
Your turn.
Today was their first time traveling on train, and they loved looking out of their window.
Window.
they were with their mummy on their way to visit their uncle there.
They had seen him in over a year, and the whole family were
Extremely
extremely happy as both siblings noisily
as they smiled and giggled at each other.
Now you both.
Yeah.
both siblings noisily sat in their carriage,
Rocking back and forth under their chairs, in between giggles, looking
Yes.
at all passengers, scenery that filled their window.
Yes. The next one.
they began to conserve with their mom. Do you think Uncle Dan will be at the station, Mom? Lauren asked sleepily.
Sheepishly.
Sheepishly, we can't wait to see him. I'm sure he will be, Mom responded with a smile. I honestly think he is more excited to see us than we are.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Now, please go and sit. Please go and sit. And then I'll open the next paragraph. Very good. Very good. Excellent. So now I'm going to ask a few things. Tell me, what does the word, there were students who were slightly confused with the words. Tell me, what does the word giggle mean?
What does the word giggle mean? Who knows? Raise hand.
Yes. Come and tell, what does the word giggle mean?
Giggle means
अरे
to
करके
laugh.
दिखा दो. Show it to me. Show it to
Show,
me.
giggle and
Show it
show.
to me. This is giggling. Turn around and tell. You giggle at the students and the students will giggle at you.
Giggle. Everybody giggle.
This is giggling. Okay. Very good. Very good. Go and have a seat. Go and have a seat. Okay. What does the word converse mean? CONVERSE. What does the word converse mean? Akshat is
Converse.
busy looking behind, huh? Okay, yes. Tell me.
What does the word mean?
Conversation. What does it mean?
Conversation means talking.
Very good. Excellent. Tell me your name. Tell me your name.
Mohan.
Mohan. Oh, wonderful. Go and have a seat. Good boy. Good boy. So, conversation. Now, I'm going to ask another word and let me see who is going to tell me. Just a minute. Okay.
Listen to the word first.
Extremely. What does the word extremely mean?
Extremely.
Think. Extremely.
We have done this extremely.
Who wants to say?
Extremely.
Yes,
Extremely.
come.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा. Very good. Your name, please, beta.
रश्मि.
Yes, Rashmi. Okay, wonderful. Yes, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. Very good. Rashmi ने कहा बहुत ही ज़्यादा. That means too much. It means too much. Give a clap to Rashmi. Give a clap for Rashmi. When you are answering, I want the claps to clap. Very good. Yes. Now. Put down. So this is extremely means very much. Too much, बहुत ज़्यादा. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. You want to say something? Who said something? No. Okay. So now I'm going to share the screen once again. We are going to go to the next lesson. I want the next 4 or 5 students to stand in line so that they can read. Yeah, ma'am. Neeta ma'am will help. Neeta ma'am will help. 4 or 5 students to come. Just 5 students can come and stand in line and then they can read. Okay? Right? Wonderful. So I'm going to share my screen.
Lauren.
Yeah, just a minute. Yes.
Just then their carriage door opened. They heard a familiar voice behind them. Oh my, is that my niece and my nephew I see? Lauren and Alex quickly spun around in their chair to see their Uncle Dan with his arms wide open.
Very good.
They
energetically
jumped out of their seats and embraced him with a huge
hug.
The brother and sister wasn't expecting to see their uncle until tonight when they had reached their destination.
Yes.
Did you know about this? Mom, Alex loudly asks, to which Mom nodded and gets with gills.
Glee means happiness. Yes.
Would to be a nice surprise for you both. Mom responded as she stood up and hugged Uncle Dan. Now, kids, Uncle Dan said laughing, how has your journey been so far? Tell me everything you know about trains.
Very good. Now, please go and have a seat. Go and have a seat. Yeah, I'll ask you to come. Next round, you two can come. Okay. So now we are going to see some words. What does the word glee mean? You had read the word glee. Yes, I see a hand raised. What does the word glee mean? Yes, tell me.
Which one?
Glee. G-L-E-E. Glee. What does it mean?
Glee.
Glue पता है.
Okay, glee. Anybody?
Glue पता है. कोई बात नहीं. इधर आ जाओ बेटा. कोई बात नहीं.
Come, ma'am will tell you.
Yeah, I'll tell you what is glee. कोई बात नहीं. Tell your name, please.
Tell your name.
What is your name?
Man.
What?
Man.
Man. Okay, great. Glee means a feeling of happiness. When you are happy. So when you are very, very happy. For example, mama को देख के खुश होते हो? So that is happiness. So you are happy. When mummy makes your favorite food, are you happy?
Yes.
What is your favorite food?
Pizza.
Pizza. So when mummy gets pizza for you, you are very happy. That is glee. Okay? Great one. So what is glee? Say. Being very happy. Say that.
Very happy.
Yes. Turn around and tell the class. Glee means being very happy.
Say loudly.
Do you mean very happy?
Glee.
Glee means very happy. Yes. Say it. Say it, beta. Come on.
Loudly.
Means very happy.
Very good. Give a clap for us. Give a clap for us. Clap, clap. Very good. Very good. Go and have a seat. Great. Wonderful. Yes. Okay. Another word. I'm going to ask another word and let me see who now tells me about it. Right? Energetically. Energetically. Yes, I see a hand raised. Somebody who hasn't come. Yes. Tell me.
To be energetic means to be energetic.
To be
To have energy.
to have energy, to have a lot of energy. That means, yes, to be energetic means to have a lot of energy. Very good. Your name? What is your name?
Arav.
Arav. Very good, Arav. So tell the class, turn around and say, what does energetic mean?
Energetic means to be very energetic.
Yes, so it means full of energy and enthusiasm. Okay? Say,
Say.
full of energy and enthusiasm.
To energy. Full of energy. To full of energy.
And
Yes, very good, Arav. Very good, Arav. Go. Clap for Arav, please. Yeah. Very good, wonderful. Yes, Arav, go and have a seat. Yeah, great. That's wonderful. So now I'm going to do a bit of exercise and I want children to volunteer. Okay? Children?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Oh, yes, I see. Now you have to, let us do. What is your favorite mode of transport?
what is your favorite?
Yes, what is your favorite mode of transport?
Loudly. Say loudly.
Yes,
Car.
car. Okay. And anybody else would like to say something? Yes?
Transport. Land transport.
Transport means how do you go from one place to another place?
Which one you want?
Land.
Are which one?
Come here. Come here.
Yes, tell me.
On land, which mode?
I like car transport.
Okay, you like car transport. Okay, great. Wonderful. Anybody else? Car, then? Yes. Stand up and say. You don't have to come. Just stand up and say.
Say loudly.
Plane.
Train. Okay. Okay. Then?
Bus.
Bus.
Yes.
Rahan.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane is done.
Aeroplane. Okay. Yes. I was waiting for somebody to say that also. Aeroplane. Okay.
Water cruise.
Okay, great. Now, you see, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, now I want all the students to identify, sit down and think of 6 adverbs. Can you see the screen? Can you see the word? The first word is angrily, then loud, then asked, then gently, bravely, nicely, explain, specially, create, hungrily. So I want now the students to identify 6 adverbs from these verbs, from these words.
6 adverbs.
Six. Any 6 adverbs. Yes.
Naval.
There other some of these words are not adverbs. So you can just guess. Okay, yes. Can you tell me?
Angrily.
Angrily, let me just click on angrily. Very good. Very good. Yes.
Gently.
Then?
Gently.
No, I want somebody else now to come and tell me, not just one student. Yes.
Yes. Are we?
Yes.
Yes. After are we done?
Gently.
Gently.
Okay. Very good. Then?
Nicely.
Nicely. Let's see. Very good. Then?
Bravely.
Bravely. Okay. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 correct. Very good. No wrong. Then?
Hungrily.
Hungrily. Very good.
Especially.
Wow. And then the last one? What?
Especially.
Especially. Very good. I mean, all of you deserve one big clap. So I want everybody to clap for each other. Very good. The whole class has got it right. Extremely. Very good. Very good. Yes. Now we come. We've already done this. Yes. What do you know about trains? Yes. 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 I want anybody to come up and tell me. Come.
What do you know about trains?
रेलगाड़ी के बारे में क्या जानते हैं? What do you know about trains?
Trains are electric and in steam engine.
Trains are electric, yes, and
In steam engine.
they were steam engines earlier. Now they're electric engines. Okay, good. Go and have a seat. Anybody else? Yes. What do trains help us do? What do trains help us do?
Train walk. Train.
Train
Run.
what?
Train runs on a track and stops at the stations.
So train helps, yes, takes us from one place to another place. Good.
Train help us to go one state to another state.
Yes, from one place to another place, from one state to another state. Very good. Yes.
There is two type of trains. One is cargo train and public train.
One is?
Cargo train and public train.
Okay, go. Great. Go. Then cargo train and public train. I mean, this boy is very, I mean, he's absolutely, I think, taken it a step ahead. Yes, very good. Then?
Train carries goods and people.
Yes, that's what the boy just said, that trains carries cargo and public train. Very good. Yes.
Train is a land transport.
Trains what?
Train is a land transport.
Okay, okay, great. So I think you all know about train. Very good. So another big round of clap for everybody. This time I'm clapping. Yes, very good, very good. So now we go to the next part. Yes. Now you have to drag and drop the adverbs into the correct category. Okay, who would want to do that? I want volunteers. Ma'am, Neeta ma'am, I want those students who have not attempted to answer anything or who couldn't get a chance to answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Now can you see the options? All the options?
Options.
So the first box is how, then it's when, and then it's where. Okay? Now I want first to fill the how box. Okay. So we'll start with the how box. Yes.
Ma'am,
Can you tell me? First identify yourself, beta. Tell me your name.
My name is Chitranshi.
Chitranshi. Okay, Chitranshi. Tell me how.
which word will go in how?
Don't worry if you are wrong. We'll correct it. Don't worry. Just say what comes to your mind when you say how, the way in which. Because then we have the time and then we have the place. So how yeah. How, for example, means how. For example, is this class making you feel happy? So how is it making you feel? It's making me feel happy, right? Happy. So how means how you are feeling. Okay? Manner.
Ma'am,
Got
there's a
it, Chitranshi and everybody?
excuse me, ma'am. There's a small window near your word, so we
Okay,
cannot.
okay. Yeah, I was just looking at the students. Is it clear now, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
How strongly?
How? Okay, let's see strongly. Very good, very good. Next.
Okay, you go now. Her turn. Now, if you use the word how, what comes to your mind?
Sanam, you sit down.
Easily.
You say easily. Okay. Tell me your name, please.
Angel.
Angel. Wow, you've made my task easy. Wonderful, easily. Great. Next.
Carefully.
Okay, and who's this?
R.V. Patel.
Okay, that's wonderful. Carefully. Good. Then
Quickly.
quickly. And who's this? Identify yourself.
Tian.
Oh, lovely. Wonderful. So we've got the first how correct. Now we come to the time. When? Yes.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Tell me your name, please.
Swara Patel.
Okay. Yes. Wonderful, Mr. Patel. Next.
Today.
Who's that?
Today.
Your name.
No, your name. Tell me your name and then tell me the option.
Jaideep Singh.
Okay, great. Then,
My name is Divyanshu Das.
yes. And what is the word?
Outside.
If we say the word when,
We are saying when, the time. So we have yesterday and today. What do you think is the next word that should come here?
Outside.
What?
Outside.
You say outside. Don't you think outside is not telling the time? See, it's wrong. Outside is not telling the time. It's asking the time. Adverb, in this adverb, we are asking the time. So what do you think should be the time?
Now.
Now. Okay. Yes, because now we are telling, we are having an online English class right now. So now is the time. Got it? Yes.
Above.
Then next one,
Above.
we are asking the time, beta.
Indoor.
if we use the
So we have above, inside, indoor, outside, and then. What do you think out of these 5 words is telling the time?
Inside.
loud,
Inside, you think is telling the time?
No, man.
Then inside is not telling the time, definitely. Is above telling the time?
Then.
Then. Yes, then is telling the time. Absolutely. For example, I have done my work back then. So I did it then. So I'm telling the time. Very good. Now go. Sit. And of course, now is the easy one. The place. I think I can have just one student come and say just the place. Right? Anyone? Yes. So we have the, yes, yes. Can you just tell all the 4 words? Just say all the 4 words.
Indoor.
Okay, let me just say indoor. Yes.
Inside.
Inside.
Outside.
Outside.
Above.
Above. Very good. Now give yourself a clap. I want the class to clap for itself. So you've understood the adverb for time, for place, and of course, we've got the third category also, the manner. Now you know what are the 3 kinds of adverbs and how do we use them?
loud.
Yes. Okay, great. Wonderful. Yeah. So I'm going to share my screen once again. Yes. Can I have now another 3-4 students?
Wait.
Yes. Come. Neeta ma'am will help me.
Come.
The ones
Read.
who have not participated.
पहला word कौन सा है?
All those who have
Read
Learn,
loudly. Yeah?
Lauren. Yeah.
Learn answer first as she had learned about trains last year in school. I know quite a lot, Uncle Dan. Laroon smiled.
Ecstatically. Say
Ecstatically.
ecstatically. Yes.
Trains travel on tracks which are two metal rails linked together. Think we can I think we can see the tracks outside the window now. The whole family inside their carriage looked out of their window to see the line of track outside. I see them carefully
Cheerfully.
Cheerfully.
Cheerfully exclaimed Alex.
Exclaimed.
cheerfully exclaimed Alex from his seat. I know some more, shouted Lauren. Trains are rows of carriages connected together. They can take passengers as well as deliverers. They are
Deliveries. Yeah.
electric. Do you know where the electric comes from? Kindly ask Uncle Dan.
Very good. Now go and have a seat. This part is over. Now we come to the words. Right? Yes. So can you tell me what does the word ecstatically means? Yes. Come if you want to answer. Ecstatically.
What does the word ecstatically mean?
Ecstatically mean.
read the sentence and try to find out. Read the
Yes. Anybody would like to say?
Anybody would like to try?
Try. You can try. Ecstatic. When you get something and you feel very, yeah. What do you feel?
Excited.
Yes, extremely excited and happy. Very good. Go ahead. Give a big clap for her. She is, yes, getting all the. So ecstatically means very happy, very excited. Okay, students?
Say yes.
But I want to see that. I want to hear that big S. Okay. Exclaimed. Do you know what does exclaimed mean?
Exclaimed.
say loudly, stand up and say loudly.
Yes.
Exclaimed.
Very happy.
Very.
Happy.
Loudly.
But no, no, it's not exactly very happy. Exclaimed means anybody else would like to say? Yes, I see a hand raised.
Say loudly.
Very loud.
You say exclaimed means very happy. Okay. Anybody else?
Come, Mantra. Mantra, what do you have to say?
Yes.
To explain anything to someone.
To say something, no, yes. Go and have a seat. Exclaim, yes. Exclaim means
Okay.
to say something very suddenly. For example, now I'm going to tell you, for example, you are doing your work, you're doing your homework, and suddenly the water bottle falls, and it falls on your pages where you are writing. So what will you say? क्या कहोगे आप लोग?
Oh no. What will you exclaim?
That is exclaimed. That is exclaimed. That is exclaimed. Something which you say suddenly, something that happens when you are surprised, when you are shocked, or when you are angry. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely. So that is what exclaimed means. Okay. So what will you say if, for example, you come home and you find your favorite toy has been thrown away. What are you going to say?
Oh my god, it has broken.
Loudly.
Oh my god, it has broken.
Yeah, so very good. Go, very good. Go and have a seat. That's exclamation. When you say something, you are not very, when you say something, when you out of shock, when you are surprised, when you are angry. For example, ये क्या किया? ये नहीं करना चाहिए था. For example, your mummy must be telling you so many times when you are doing something she's asking you to do and you are not doing it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wonderful. So this is exclamation. Okay. And finally, we come to the last word, and I'm going to say ask once again. And then cheerfully. What is cheerfully?
Very
Yes.
loud. Very loudly.
Cheerfully. Cheer.
Chitranshi.
You know.
Cheerfully.
Say.
When someone cheers someone so much.
Okay. Chitanshi,
So you are on the right track. Yes, you are on the right track. Yes. Can you guess?
To be happy.
To be happy. Yes. She's got a lovely cheerful smile. Now I tell me your name. Tell me your name.
Chitranshi.
Chitranshi has got a cheerful smile. See, she's got a happy smile. She's got a lovely smile. So feeling happy. And now Chitranshi is happy because ma'am praised her for answering correctly. And she's giving that cheerful smile. Yes, so that's the smile you need to give. I want everybody to clap for yourself because it has been very, very interesting. Yes. I hope you enjoyed today's session, children. Yes, I hope you enjoyed it, not because why Neeta man is saying, but I'm really wanting to know. Okay?
Yeah, Nita ma'am is not saying. See.
Okay?
Nita ma'am is not saying.
Yeah, so it has been wonderful teaching all of you, and I really enjoyed today's session and such an active class. Neeta ma'am, thank you so much for getting us for ensuring that the students are coming and they are actively taking part in the class. So thank you so much. Thank you. I hope you really enjoyed the lesson, ma'am, and it was a wonderful experience for you also.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think children thoroughly enjoyed the class.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your feedback, and I also really enjoyed it. Okay, bye. Bye, everybody. Bye. Wonderful.